Hello, my name is Madalena. I am the product manager of BITalino at PLUX. I'm here today to help you to select your biosignal solution for your classroom and your laboratory. We've been frequently asked about the main differences between our exploratory kits, the board kit and the plug kit. So I will highlight you those differences. This is BITalino Revolution Board Kit, our ready-to-use and plug-and-play solution. In this case, you have already the sensors pre-attached to the main board. EG, EDA, ECG and EMG are some of the sensors that are coming with this toolkit, making it a very suitable solution to use in biosignals introductory classes. Let me highlight you that if you want to play with other sensors, you cannot use these solutions. This is BITalino Revolution Plug Kit. In this case, you have up to 6 analog ports available to connect wherever sensors you want from our portfolio. To get started with our toolkits, you just have to follow the instructions on our Quick Start Guide or download it on our website. So that's it. I am sure there is a perfect toolkit for your biosignals classes and laboratory. Visit us on biosignals.com and also visit our support page if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!